Hi everyone, James here at Your Next Car, bringing you the walk around video of the 420D M Sport Coupe. As always, we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. Then we're going to make my way around. I'm going to go ahead and take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will of course go through some of the interior features and options. So this fantastic vehicle is presented in the black sapphire metallic, and of course we've added to that by fitting the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. And we've gone for the very nice triple black pack, so we've got the gloss black alloys, gloss black exterior colour, and the black Dakota leather, all of which I'm going to cover in a bit more detail very shortly. So this vehicle also comes equipped with BMW's M Sport Plus pack. In terms of what you get with that, we have the much enhanced and larger M brakes, Harman Kardon surround sound, the heated Dakota leather, and the privacy glass at the rear. You'll also notice it is a 2016 reg. We have the Xenon Light package and the absolutely amazing 20-inch G20 M Performance style alloy wheels, which once again are finished in gloss black. Moving down the side of the car, we have the gloss black air breathers, that pre-mentioned privacy glass, gloss black sidebars, and the M Performance decals. In terms of interior on the car, as you can see, it is that lovely black Dakota leather, which, as I mentioned, in the front has got the heated seat function, along with the electric lumbar adjustment, and the interior trim is the aluminum hexagon and blue accents. There is that superb Harman Kardon I was mentioning just a moment ago. In the rear you get an Isofix 2x2 rear seat arrangement with the centerfold armrest and center storage tray. We also have a M Sport black headlining as well, and the 4 Series, no matter where you are sat, is a very spacious place and comfortable as well. Once again, we'll just take another look at the superb 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, and you will notice there, just protruding from the rear, is a new style rear gloss black rear diffuser we are trying out on some of the 4 Series here at Your Next Car. It is closer to something that you can purchase from the Mperformance range on the BMW M4s, and it looks absolutely tremendous sat against this black sapphire metallic paint. Definitely more of an aggressive look, and especially combined with these alloy wheels and this triple black pack, certainly makes the car stand out. Opening up the boot, you can see there just how much of a large space you have, combining with the fact you do have the split folding seat function, makes for a very large boot capacity indeed. Moving on to the other side now, well, once again we'll just take a minute to appreciate this stunning colour combination, and of course just how well these alloy wheels sit on the vehicle. Moving in for a closer glance once again at the alloy wheels before I head on inside the vehicle to show you around all of the interior details in a bit more depth. As soon as you enter the vehicle, you're greeted by the fantastic professional wide navigation and media screen with both front and rear parking sensors, and we'll of course go over the functions and features of that. There is the navigation screen. We've also got Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. 8-speed sports auto combined with that lovely 190 brake horsepower 2-litre diesel engine. Cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, and of course the flappy pedals for that pre-mentioned 8-speed auto. Just over 30,000 miles on this vehicle, and as I've mentioned, it certainly is a very nice condition inside and out. As always, I do hope you found this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where of course I will be happy to answer them as soon as possible. And as always, there will be a link to our website, where of course you can obtain further information regarding prices and finance for this vehicle and all of our other wonderful examples. If you've not already done so, please remember to hit the subscribe button. That way you can be kept up to date with all of our latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car. And of course check us out on Instagram, which will also be linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, take care, goodbye.